Okay, so good afternoon. Um, so this is actually just like a teaser or a teaser trailer towards something that I will conduct hopefully on camera in a short while. I mean, I need to take a shower and to prepare some stuff, but then we will do another experiment with the Neros. I'm not sure it will be under the microscope or not. I mean, there are the advantages, disadvantages. Let me think about it, like while I'm on the shower or something. But what's the special? I mean, what's so special about it? As you recall, we have a project. We had two projects that involve electricity with the Neros. One is direct current using electrolysis. It's actually still working, but I guess the batteries are done, so nothing happens. But we need to check under the microscope what we've got over there. But the more interesting one is the one with that uses direct current, which is I mean certainly a much higher actually I'm not sure. And but I mean, what's the ampere? I mean, how the size of the current here in the using the batteries. I didn't check, but of course the direct current is much more power. I mean, when you don't use batteries, it's generally you get more power. I mean, so more electricity for certain. Even though the voltage is quite low, it's only 1.2 because the transformator I used is not. I mean, is only transformed to 1.2. I next time that I do such a thing, which will probably be today, I will use this transformator, which transformed to 12 volt and 2 ampere, which is much better. So I use this one. You just need to tweak it so it will be instead of only one knob, like two wires. So why what's so special that requires a teaser trailer? So if you remember, one of the goals for the weekend was to see if it's possible to use charged Neros, charged by electricity, Neros that were charged by electricity, in order to create a super Nero. Remember that I spoke about? Like, tell them to create one big one, and I mean, I speculated that perhaps the biggest ones might be able. I mean, are possible to see in naked eye. I mean, they are in the ultra microscopic level, which would be amazing. And I suspect that this is exactly what we got now. It's from the direct current powerhouse that I created. It's running for several hours now with the special contraption that I photographed before. And it's still working, but I will disconnect it and I will see what's going on inside. But I looked now after a couple of hours. I took a look, and it seems that, I mean, if I'm not mistaken, it seems that there are actually, several big delis over there. Like, Neros that you can. I mean, maybe it's a mistake. Maybe I wanted it to be true, and so I know I saw that I see it. But in a while, I'll disconnect the contraption, and I will take a look, maybe perhaps under the microscope, and we will see exactly what we've got. But I think I've seen some really, using my own eyes, really big Neros over there. If that is true, then it's a remarkable achievement, because it means that we will have now at our disposal exactly what I wanted to have, the super Neros. And so you ask, okay, now if you have such, they don't necessarily need to be viewable by the naked eye. If we have several big ones that are pretty big, charged with all the electricity that we have them, then it's also an achievement. So the next question is, what do we want to do with them? And I think that it's time for another greedy experiment. As you know, I don't have rings because I don't have rings, and I think I'm reluctant to ask my mother for a ring again, which is it's a setback, but we can still use this one. It's 10 shekel coin, and if we will able, if we can demonstrate on camera that it's possible to clone it using the Super Neros that presumably we now have at our end. I mean, I guess it's exciting enough to earn me a subscriber or two to the channel, even though the monitor again will be only 10 shekel minus I don't know, several agorot worth of material that I will place inside. I mean, wires and I don't know, maybe copper, but I mean, it's going to be, I mean, I let myself be optimistic on that front. After all, I know that this channel deal with some pretty hard, I mean, like really amazing science fiction, but I mean, I think that I mean, we've already seen I mean, amazing results that prove that it's not only talking but also actually performing. So I'll start the experiment I think in about half an hour or something like that.